What's up, you guys? Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm here in my temporary digs until I fly out of here pretty soon, and I'm just going through my old tapes. As I told you, I've digitized a bunch of old VHSs, and I've got some gems from my backyard mini ramp. So let's give that a whirl. It's pretty much probably going to end up being the Jay Olsen show.
Hey, what's happening? This is not Map Splat, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button, blah, 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 blah.
Smash it.
Alva, stop it. Stop it, Alva. Go sit down.
Hey, what's happening? I'm not Matt Splat, but I'm real close to Matt Splat, maybe a little better looking. And we're here on his channel. We want you guys to like, subscribe, follow the disaster known as Matt Splat, and let's see what happens.